my water fountain bird bath. Solar powered. And at night it does this. I love watching this thing. Oops. And yeah, we got some wind going, so